soil prediction and fertility suggestion, crop prediction, plant disease detection. Abstract. India is the land of agriculture and is among the top 3 global producers of many crops. The Indian farmer lies at the heart of the agricultural sector, yet most Indian farmers remain at the bottom of the social strata. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. This is a soil prediction home page. Here we can read about our project. The user need to give the some data as the input. As per that, the soil prediction output will be generated. The user need to give the some data as the input. As per that, the crop prediction output will be generated. The user need to upload the files as the input. Based on that, the classification of the plant disease will be produced. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.